It's got some rattling. Is that an engine in this car?
I have no idea.
Where'd you get this from?
I traded my Charger on Marketplace for it.
Oh, okay. Did you recently just buy this?
Yeah, about like 2 months ago.
What do you want to get for this?
I'm trying to get about like 10.
And the title's in your name right now?
Yeah.
Trying to get 10. What's wrong with the engine?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Just like a belt noise or something?
Nah, I think there's like a wire that's messed up in the trans.
Okay, sounds fun. Check this out. 129,633. I probably wouldn't go near that.
Yeah.
What did you pay for it?
I didn't pay much. I just traded a Charger for it, so.
How much was your Charger worth?
I don't know. I traded a Miata for that.
Oh, okay. Did you take it anywhere else? Like, do you have to sell it or?
Nah, nah.
Okay, well,
I just want to get an M3.
do you want to trade for an M3 right now?
Well, I also have another car. I have a 13 335.
Okay.
But I have payments on that.
Was it your goal just to sell this or
I ultimately just want to
get an M3?
Yeah.
Like from me or from like?
well, from you, yeah.
Okay, I think it's only worth like $3 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, is there any way you could go like up a little bit?
If you're gonna buy a car from me, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said, I have another car. I could probably get another buddy to bring the other car out, and then
Okay.
I guess we'll just appraise them both.
Sure. Did you want to get an F80 or like an F80?
I wish I could get a G80.
Yeah, the
but
F80s are pretty sick right now. They're holding
Yeah.
good value. So we have the black one, white, whatever you need. But how much money down do you have for the F80?
just the trades.
Just the trade. It's not gonna. I don't know if it's gonna work.
I have multiple cars, so I
Okay.
could sell another
Do you
one.
have like 30 grand worth of cars?
Yeah.
You do. Do you want to flip a coin for this car, like 5 grand or free?
No, I don't.
No?
No, I couldn't.
It's all good. Just wanted to make the offer.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
All right, cool. Thanks for coming, bro. I'll see you
Yeah.
soon, maybe.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, sounds good. We're here.
Cool.
Anything you need. We got more F80s coming in all the time, so.
Sweet.